So for those of you that have Macs and use Pages or Keynote or Numbers, when you go to turn in assignments, you will need to make sure you convert these to either PDF, a Word file, Excel, or a PowerPoint presentation, whatever the instructor tells you to do. And I'm going to show you now how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up in the Pages document and go to File, and then go down to Export. And then you'll select whatever you want, however you want to export it as. So it'll be PDF or Word, and we'll choose Word for this one. And then click Next, and then rename your file. And then hit the Export button. And then it'll export it as a Word document. And if you don't have Word on your computer, it'll just save it to your computer as a Word document. And this can be done for Numbers or Keynote. Either one, it's the same process. You'll go up to the file and then you'll select Export.